Hi there, YouTube RC enthusiasts out there. Welcome to another little video of the RC Whisperer. That's me. Just please comment, subscribe, like, hit the bell button, hit the share button, all the buttons and whatnot. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you a quick little video on how to just do it your own stickers, so to speak. This is a little Monkey Jam sticker I got with a game. Actually, it's a Monkey Jam Path of Destruction from PlayStation 3, and also got a steering wheel with it, and it got some stickers. So I stuck this one on my custom Clodbuster. Well, it's not really a Clodbuster. The thing Clodbuster about it is the wheels, but the tires. Those are the wheels. But anyways, just quickly getting to the video. I don't want to bore you guys too much with my blah blah blah. So that's a sticker that I just stuck in here because I'm a huge fan of monster trucks, and if you watch my channel, sorry, I'm just trying to get everything sorted out here. Just turn the truck around, show you a bit. Sorry, I do apologize for all the mess around here, but they're renovating my house, so I had to put stuff here and onto my workbench. So, but anyways, let's get into the little video. I bought this Gravedigger tracked vehicle. You guys have seen it in one of my videos, and it's made by Monkey Jam. But anyways, the thing is that on the box you get a little, well, these little Monkey Jam logos, so to speak. And if you like I said, if you watch my channel, there's also my Ford F250 Super Duty. Also, it's also purple, and I also stuck these Monkey Jam logos on it. And well, like I said, it's just a little video of do it your own to make stickers. But what you do is that you have to peel off all the layers of cardboard. Here I've got them. So just peel them off with a small screwdriver. Just stick it here in the corner and tear them off until you get to this last layer. And then just take some transparent tape, and as you can see, it has a reflection. Just tape it over the sticker, so when you're driving out in the wet, driving out in the rain or the snow, and it gets wet, then it's going to obviously peel off, or it's going to you know how paper is and water, they don't mix together too well. So just put some transparent tape on here, keep it waterproof. And then on the rear here, just take some double-sided tape and just put it on the back there, and this sticker is going to come here on the rear like that. So just a little RC top tip for you guys out there to make your own little stickers if you want to. You know, I mean, it's just a cheap and quick, easy way instead of going online, saving you the hassle of looking for stickers. But I'm sure the little Monkey Jam stickers, you can find them practically all over the place, or at RC stores or online RC stores, whatever. But anyways, you could not only do it with a Monkey Jam logo, obviously you can do it with all sorts of things that you have on a piece of cardboard. You think to yourself, oh, that looks pretty cool, just like maybe a T-Rex, you know, or a Traxxas, you know, just cut it out, and then just like I said, you know, just remove the layers of cardboard. You can stick it on your Traxxas truck or whatever, so your car or something else. So, but anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. When I can start monetizing my channel, I want to give away a brand new RC Nitro monster truck. I'm not going to say what it is because that's the surprise, but when I get to it, when I start monetizing my channel and everything gets going, then I'm going to make a little video about it, and then I'm going to send it to the one who has 1,000 subscribers. But just please let me know if you are the 1,000 subscriber. Please let me know on my channel. Send me a comment just saying, hey, I'm your 1,000 subscriber. I read all my comments and whatnot, and when I can, I will comment back and leave a hard reply, leave a like reply, and also reply to them as much as possible. So until now, I've only uploaded 100, and this will be my 103rd video. So I do reply to them, or I have replied to every one of them. But I mean, as obviously as you go along and along and along, get more subscribers, more comments. I mean, I can't keep track of everything. But if you are my 1,000 subscriber, please let me know in a comment. Send me your details, and I will send you this cool RC Nitro monster truck. But anyways, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know when, I don't know how, but we will be going out in the trails, and I've got another project lined up, but I'm going to be, maybe I'll make a film about it, or I'll just make it and then just make a short little video about it and just explain what I did. But it's also a car on my RC channel, so I don't want to bore you guys too much with repeating myself with certain things. But anyways, again, thank you very much for watching, and I wish you guys a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a very good night. And have fun, stay safe, take care, have fun out there on the RC trails. And it's all about fun with this RC channel, and I'm going to better myself in my videos and trying to be more entertaining, so at least I keep you guys entertained. Well, thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe to my channel. And well, just when I can, I will, or when I come up with an idea, I'm like, oh, okay, I can help you guys out, and I'll give you guys more RC top tips. Alrighties, take care, see you later, bye, see ya. Just another quick RC tip for you guys out there. If you want to displace your stickers, and because I've seen quite a few people and they say how do you put stickers on, or things like that in a few videos, what you do is take a small screwdriver and just stick it on the back there, and if you want just place it on the truck there, and then start off at the top right corner, hold it into place, and then you can stick it on there. And voila, got yourself a free cool sticker on your RC monster truck or car or whatever's. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys in the next video. See you later, bye, see ya.